Make a great choice today with the 2017 Focus. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, power sunroof. Inside you'll find backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, side airbag system, bucket seats. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.